Meet Croma CN951, earbuds with open-ear wearable stereo technology. It delivers great sound and sits comfortably outside your ears, so you can wear them for hours without any discomfort. Using unique air conduction technology, it sends sound waves to your eardrums without coming in direct contact. So you can stay connected to the world and enjoy your favorite series of sports. Featuring Bluetooth version 5.3, IPX4 water resistance, 16mm drivers, touch controls, Type-C charging, and 40 hours of playback. Croma OWS earbuds have all that you need. Pairing is easy too. Just open the case, search for nearby Bluetooth devices on your smartphone, tap on Croma CN951, and you're good to go. Now you're all set to use your new Croma OWS earbuds.